show you how you can install our Izodekor 3D wall panels with master. Please don't forget to measure your wall firstly. The materials that you need are just a pencil, a utility light, a meter, a square measuring device, a silicone glue and silicone gun. As you can see, our panels are carefully packed. Our 3D panels weigh across 1.2 kilogram and are, as you can see, very light. The length is 100 centimeter, the height is 50 centimeter, and the width is 2 centimeter. Also something important. Be careful when you are connecting panels with each others. Measure the space left in the wall and cut this gap from another panel. You can insert the remaining piece of the beginning to elevate it. Remember that you can also cut the panel horizontally. It was a very simple and clean installation. All you need to do is to enjoy the new view of your wall.